This is the 750-watt Revolution DF12750, manufactured by Enermax, with a current MSRP of $130 US. It is a fully modular ATX 3.1 power supply with a single fan mode. The power supply comes in reasonable packaging and measures 150 by 86 by 122 millimeters. Considering cable flexibility, it has an effective depth of 160 millimeters. The Revolution DF12750 is accompanied by the accessories as shown and supported by a 10-year warranty. This warranty period is outstanding for a power supply of this class. The fully modular cables are of acceptable quality. They have plastic insulation and are really flexible. They should cause no problems while building and cable managing your computer. The provided cable set includes a single 12-volt 2x6 cable, allowing it to power all types of high-wattage GPUs. LTT Labs conducted all of the following testing at an ambient temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. The full test suite, including tests at extended temperature ranges, is available on the lab's website linked in the description. But before we get to the results, here's a message from our sponsor. Thanks to Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. Their secure high-speed VPN network lets you access your local content from all over the world. Go check out PIA using our link in the description for a special deal. The Revolution DF12750 carries an 80+ gold rating, and we have measured 91% efficiency at 50% of its maximum rated load. That is higher than power supplies in a similar class. Throughout the full rated output power range of 750 watts, there was a 0.121 voltage drop on the 12-volt rail inside of ATX specifications, and similar to most other power supplies we've tested. The rest of the output rails met ATX specifications. The stability will provide a steady platform for the operation of other components in the computer. The peak-to-peak signal ripple of the fully loaded power supply's 12-volt rail was average for its price and wattage at 26 millivolts, while the 5-volt and 3.3-volt rails had signal ripple of 24 millivolts and 18 millivolts respectively. Modern power supplies typically have no issue complying with ATX ripple specifications, and this unit is no different. We test a power supply's resilience to momentary power dropouts and ripples using our brownout test that interrupts the input power for a few milliseconds. This allows us to measure how long of a power dropout the sample can sustain without interrupting the output power. The Revolution DF12750 was measured to withstand a 14 millisecond and 14 millisecond dropout at full rated load for 115 volt and 230 volt inputs respectively. This unit performs similarly to other power supplies. The Excursion test momentarily applies up to 200% of the rated load to test a power supply's ability to support components that may temporarily require more than their rated current. The Revolution DF12750 withstood all of the excursions but failed to maintain ATX voltage limits in a few cases. This is unlikely to impact reliability for a vast majority of workloads. The Revolution DF12750 is equipped with the protections as listed, providing the full suite of protections for you and your equipment. We measure the overpower protection to engage at a maximum of 142% of rated load, while the 12-volt rail alone is capable of 88 amps, 141% of its rating. This is equivalent to similarly rated power supplies offering good protection against component faults, while also allowing the power draw to slightly exceed the official rating. We can recommend the Revolution DF12750 because of its high efficiency and resilience to brownouts. For full specifications and test results, follow the link to the product page on the LTT Labs website.